Muriel Magaso Molde, Talisay City. Maria Karina Gador Perez, Cebu City. Maria Rebecca Vega Villaflor, Cebu City. Karen Comendador Yap, Cebu City. Michael Vincent Leandro Argamosa, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Keith Nunez Masmones, Danao City. Michael Anthony Morales Colina, Cebu City. Jared Barbas de la Cruz, Cebu City. J. Arquiliano Esquivel, Cebu City. Carlo Gale Zaragoza Facturan, Bugos City, Cebu. Zeth Arlo Duran Felician, Lapu-Lapu City. Ray Noel Carlasan Galo, Cebu City. Michael John Leños Gasta, Cebu City. James Austria Leison, Cebu City. J. Salem Remonique Mantos, Sabuanga del Sur. Mark Clifford Saranillo Pateres, Banyan, Cebu. Michael Angelo Panigos Pepito, Consolacion, Cebu. Homer Ayan Jules Bacus Prieto, Villanilla, Cebu. Vince Rafael Catembas Quijano, Cebu City. Andy Torda Cedigo, Bacoor, Cavite. Jose Andre Meneses Siliban, Cebu City. Michael Seno Son, Cebu City. Orville Campo Tan, Pinangahan, Cebu. Nicole Andrew Alfonso Orsal, Cebu City. Graduates with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. Jennifer Aquino Barcinas, Cebu City. Julie Cabrera Carmen, Abigail Elaine Talalapa Yang, General Santos City. Rasmia Pagarongan Manamilang, Iligan City. Maria Serenet Abangan, Samayo. Julie B. Estrado Isani, Mamamaw, Cavite. Ronel Alan Marquero Lim, Tandas. Shuji Bargamento Manyakap, Villanilla City. Sul Ershad Manil Taon, Zamboanga City.
The graduates with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Biology. Francis Hannah Caluya Cardosi, Negros Occidental. Michelle Urenes Gutierrez, Misamis City. Adeline Gumpiu Sheka, Butuan City. Jose Christopher Rodel Camaro, Iligan City. The graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Ryan Alcover.